sunny ride from the town of Argh, we parked up at a cafe to rest up and have some grub. And what a great pit stop it was. We filled our bellies with vegetable, beef curry and rice, and they even threw an omelette on the top for an extra hit of protein to give us energy on the road ahead to the city of Murun. Hit all the rumble strips.
Yeah, because yesterday it was like ridiculous. Everything
I
was.
was actually trying to hold on to it.
Yeah.
I tried him because it was just like.
It's worrying.
Going mental. Anyway, so.
And then what was it?
I checked the coolant, and I was just looking at that. I've already found one bolt here, a main bolt, which is just worked its way.
Completely come out. Yeah.
So I think we'll have to spend a bit of time.
Yeah, because there's the lower one which is in all right. Well,
I'll probably tighten all of them.
yeah, it probably needs tightening. But that's crazy because it's come out like. Hang on, where is it? There, yeah, look, it's come out quite far.
So poor monster. No wonder it's been like had a bad toothache. His teeth are falling out. My toolkit as well that's in here. It was just like. It's all falling out of the bits, but as you'd expect because of all the vibrations.
Oh, all the shaking, yeah.
It's mad, isn't it? Like all the rust and stuff just from the week of being in Mongolia.
What was the other damage done?
Some really sad news. Max got me a Kinder Joy when we spent time with him, and I got a really cool Wonder Woman, and I stuck her to my bike. And yesterday morning. My bike fell over when I was loading it, and I didn't realise till we were a good few miles on the road that I've lost the top half. But I think it kind of sums me up more.
Yeah, you got some lovely legs.
It's all about the leg, yeah. After spending a couple of days tidying up our bikes in the city of Murun, we hit the road to head to our last town in Mongolia before the border crossing back into Russia, Ultan Bulag.
Last day, Mongolia, and there's Russia over there.
We're so close.
Yeah, and the landscape's quite different already, I think, over there. It's straight into the taiga, into the Siberian forest.
How long have we been in Mongolia for?
It's got to be, nearly 2 weeks?
Yeah.
But it's been bloody good, isn't it? There's the Russian border. Hello.
I wonder how long that will take us to get through. It took us 6 hours to get in, didn't it, or longer, to Mongolia?
10 hours, I think.
10 hours, jeez. Yeah. Let's hope it's easier to leave.